Welcome to Chasing Tents, everyone. My name is Abhi. Thank you for joining me. I hope everyone's safe and at home and appreciating your local medical staff and also looking after yourself. Excuse the lockdown here. Everyone knows what the situation is at the moment. This is a very different video. I thought I'll make a video of where I vlog, what I vlog with, and also, most importantly, my whole lighting kit. I get a lot of questions saying, where you sit, there's a lot of stuff going on in the background. Like that. So people just wanted to know what's all that stuff. So I thought I'll make a video and I'll show the whole room. A bit of helmets, a bit of Formula 1 cars and stuff, because that was my first love. So here we go. Let's start here straight away. As soon as you enter the room, the first thing you see is Lotus 49 Formula 1 car by Tony Smith. And you've got this LED TV. And here, so this is what you normally see here. Okay, so let's just start this way. So this thing is just like a electronics cabinet with an old PlayStation 3, an old Skybox, and a few other files and stuff. That's a reminder of things when things go wrong. Not the Gorilla Glue, but a carbon fiber wheel which is completely gone, and another carbon fiber wheel with a lovely SC0 slick. I was going to make a video about it, so I just put it there. So anyways, yeah, this is like a little corner where I just keep, that's a little bell from Switzerland. That's me when I was a little kid, and that's some stickers I get from people. So that's a good friend, a racer, Suki Rai, Asian Sensation Racing and all, on Instagram, and that's just a London souvenir. Yeah, Musa Bike from California, really nice chap. Gabro, everyone knows him in the Aprilia world. Nova Bike, he's like a Polish dude who makes wings, 3D wings from his 3D printer. Road Race Performance Shropshire, and another reminder of things go wrong. That's a Lightech clip-on I keep, which was from my crash last year. If you're wondering why I take my own pictures and frame it, this was my work colleagues who just did a little thing. This was my first ever European trip in Almere with the lovely Billy McConnell. Did a one-day training session with him. That's just a trophy from a track day event, and yeah, that's just the work people did that for me, so I was pretty grateful. These are all the Formula 1 cars. I don't know, what do you want to know? That's the Kimi Räikkönen championship winning car. That's Niki Lauda's championship winning car. That is the fan car, if anyone remembers, Brabham fan car. That's the Lotus. That is Mario Andretti's Formula 1 winning car. That's Sebastian Vettel's 2011 championship winning car. That is a Emerson Fittipaldi's championship winning car. These are two Senna's car, very famous Ayrton Senna cars, McLarens. What else? That's just my cycling lights, and I never cycle. So yeah, that's did I tell you that's a little cabinet for PS3 and stuff. I haven't got a PS4, so I'm waiting for PS5. That was the first ever Silverstone Grand Prix ever. That's again by Tony Smith. And this is the mirror everyone tells me about on Instagram and stuff. That is pretty huge. Yes, it is pretty huge. And again here, if I go through everything, that's just more Formula 1. If you see this wiring, I try to do a typical YouTube vlogger thing, putting LED lights all around this mirror, and I thought, you know what, already so much is going on in the background, the last thing I need is more light, or colored lights and stuff. So yeah, some more Formula 1 cars. That is James Hunt Formula 1 championship winning car. That's a very different one. That's a Sauber from 2004. That was an exact copy of Ferrari, if people follow Formula 1. That is the Jackie Stewart Formula 1 winning car. That is Sebastian Vettel's 2013 winning car, championship car. That is Jim Clark's championship winning car. Excuse this mess. That is Benetton, Michael Schumacher's first championship winning car. Jenson Button's championship winning car. Nigel Mansell, 1992, active suspension one. And that is... No, is that the active suspension one? No, I've got to look up. That is Michael Schumacher's 2001 Ferrari. He did win the championship in that year, but someone died in Ferrari, so they had a black nose in front. That is Jack Villeneuve's championship winning car. One of the greatest, Fangio's car. That is, who's a Clay Regazzoni, not a world champion, but a great rider. This is my AGV Pista GPR with all the wings and bells and whistles. As you can see, that is from my crash. And fortunately, I had two big crashes, and except for a bit of visor damage and slight gravel rash here, very slight, not much. You know, I was so lucky that nothing got damaged. So I'm going to do a really good job this year on the helmet, some real kind of personalized Chasing 10th theme. That is a bit of gravel from my first ever crash in 2018 at Silverstone. You always got to keep a bit of gravel when you crash, you know, it's one of the norms if people don't know. That is, normally it's in a bag when you see my videos. That is a Cafe Racer helmet. It's got Alcantara inside, you know, a bit of a Porsche style stitching inside. It's a limited edition Roland Sands, Roland Sands design, limited edition helmet. Yeah, a bit of this bronze theme going on, a lot of hand spray painting and stuff going on. So I really like this helmet. I used this at the Distinguished Gentleman rides when I had a Cafe Racer bike. I can show a picture in this video. Okay, so more cars. Vittorio Brambilla, not a Formula 1 champion, but a very famous Beta Tools cars. And you've got McLaren, Lewis Hamilton's first championship winning car. Brabham, this is Carlos Pace. Not very important car, but I love the Martini theme, so I just bought that. And the Pedro Rodriguez. So if you watch Formula 1, the Mexican Grand Prix, the circuit is one of the brothers was Pedro Rodriguez, who got killed. Senna's first podium, that was at Monaco. Everyone knows this candy, what do you call it, a Tolman car. Michael Schumacher's first ever car, where he qualified pretty good at Spa, then he retired within 2 laps, I think. And then you've got Alain Prost. This is the active suspension car, I think. And then you've got Nelson Piquet's Brabham. You've got six-wheeled Formula 1 car, if we can see it. Then you've got, is that Lewis Hamilton? Yeah, Lewis Hamilton's Mercedes, Fernando Alonso. I love him. Then you've got Michael Schumacher again. So yeah, pretty decent collection. I stopped it because I had no more space to keep it. That's why you see some of the collection here, but now I regret it. I shouldn't have stopped it. Rest, you see that's that's a wood burning stove, but in the spring and summer I use it to kind of destroy all the legal paperwork, any bank statements and stuff like that. And that's just a lovely piece of wood I put on there to keep everything. That's a bit of kindling to light up the fire. That is just your lovely hardcore metal stuff to play around with the fire. Lovely Chesterfield chair, I absolutely adore it. That's a bit of light, you know. So here we go. This is my second hobby. I love playing the piano. I play Bollywood songs mainly, and I've been playing since I was 6 years old. And there is another piano on the other side. So I don't know. Shall I play something? I don't know. Shall I? Oh, I've got to hang this mic up now. Oh God. We'll leave it. I'll leave it. Actually, shall I? Let me just. Here we go. I'm going to try it with the left hand. Is this clear? I hope it is. I don't know if you can see it.
Guess who's back?
Oh, I hope you like that. Anyways, so let's move on. Let me take the mic off again so I can show you everything. So this is the desk. So that is when I log into work. That's what I use. That's a bigger screen that just marries in with the bigger screen. That's the Mac I use for all the editing. That is the first vlogging light. So this is the vlogging light system. So this has got a bit of a LED light in the background, a stand, and yeah, that's a bit of a IKEA Indian-y looking carpet. I love this. It's very soft. It's beautiful. Anyways, so you get this. What do you call them? I forgot the names, but it just makes the light a bit harsh, less harsh, so you don't get any shadows. And this is the party piece. This is the main key light. So it's huge, as you can see. It's pretty bright. It looks a bit professional photography system going on, but that is my main light I use because most of my videos are done in this room in the night time. That is the main piano. You know, you can't really beat the original pianos. That's the Bell helmet case. That's just a bit of that's another Formula 1 painting there. It's rolled up. I haven't framed it yet. Salt and pepper. salt and pepper in British minis. That's just my vlogging kit I take to the different track days. This is going to be, you're going to laugh at this. That is my first ever helmet. A £30 on sale G-Mac. I cannot believe, extra large. I had the wrong size, I had the wrong helmet, it was heavy as anything. Absolutely pathetic. You know, with all due respect to G-Mac, you know, I'm sure they do a good job. It's just I didn't choose a good helmet. It's my fault, okay? Not cussing anyone. Then this was my second helmet. If you can see, there's a GoPro mount here, but I don't really do any road vlogging, as you probably know. That's the Senna. This is the AGV GT Veloce. So if I bring it down, it's got an anti-fog screen in there. I love the helmet. AGVs are pretty comfortable. And yeah, that was my helmet, and few road chips from following my friends too closely on trip to Wales. Then this is a Bugatti Type 36 or 35, and this is the road going version. So I do love the French cars from back in the day. I just got this from a local NEC motor show. So I just put that there. Some Formula One books. I love a few books about music, history of the world, some encyclopedias about ships, aircrafts, old weapons from World War One and stuff. Science, I love science, as you can tell from some of my techie videos. You know, how to learn guitar, Spanish, French, and 501 must drive cars. And that's just the cycle helmet, which I never wear because I bought a very expensive bicycle, but I never ride it. That's just some gloves for cafe racer and touring and stuff like that. Yeah, that's it. That's my room I use to vlog, and that was all the stuff in the room. I hope you found it interesting. I'm not going to end the video here because I need to show you something else. So as you can see me here, hello. So this is the can you see it? Can you see it? I don't have another secondary camera at the moment, so this is what I use. That's the GoPro 7. That is the GoPro what do you call it, tripody thing, so it can stand up so you can record yourself. That's where the mic goes, so I've left everything open to show you. This is where the mic goes for my vlogging. That's the GoPro's audio adapter, which everyone hates, you know, and it's really hard to get hold of this audio adapter. So yeah, that's just what I use. I have a detailed video of the whole vlogging kit, and I'll put that in the description, because once I showed everyone that you can do vlogging from an iPhone, and also showed everyone that what my vlogging kit is made of. So I'll put the link in the description, and everything what you see in terms of vlogging and lighting, I'll put the link in the description. So if everyone wants to buy anything, they can buy it without any headaches. So yeah guys, so I thought I'll make this video. I hope you found it interesting. If I have left anything, I don't know if I have. I don't know, just another my old Mac and road race performance hat. Thank you to them very much. No, I haven't really left anything, so I just wanted to include every single thing in the room so you guys know what happens right behind me. So yeah, I get that question quite a lot. So this weekend, you know, just wanted to mention one more thing. That's the picture of Ayrton Senna and Alain Prost. You know, 26 years ago this weekend, Ayrton Senna lost his life along with Roland Rassenberger, and Ruben Barrichello had a really bad crash. So I thought, you know, I'd dedicate this video to them as a rest in peace message, you know, and I just hope everyone looks after yourself, you know. Please, you know, help everyone, help the NHS, help your local medical staff. Don't go out if you don't need to go out. So enjoy yourself, guys. Take care of yourself and stay safe. Thank you for watching this video. And before I forget, please do subscribe. And tomorrow I'm going to put a video of all the bikes I've ever owned, because that's a second question I get a lot from people. So thank you guys. Take care of yourself. Look after yourself.